Indonesia. Praika Thailand.
Vietnam, Vietnam.
Ni Hao, China. Magandang umaga, Philippines! Representing the beautiful island of the Philippines, Mabuhay Pilipinas!
Magandang umaga, Pilipinas.
Selamat pagi semuanya, Malaysia!
Representing Turkey.
Mabuhay! Kamusta mga Pilipino? Philippines!
Pakistan!
Representing France!
In Spain!
We have for you today.
Pause to our Arakan Club Master and Sustainability. Let us continue to pursue inclusivity and sustainability as the foundation for a brighter ASEAN by 2025.
Nation Day celebration this October 9 to
Good morning, everyone. Ilang kami, ihapon.
Pinangalan siya ng First Division. Una, dahil sa panatili at
Alright! Is everyone awake? 2025 is our dream to stand together as one. Together, by one fragile, beautiful whole, the earth.
By color, by creed. But today, I think we are not divided. Present or shared by the wind. We pledge together
as UN stands for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is the purpose of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs? A. To promote only environmental protection. Letter B. To guide countries in building weapons. Letter C. To reduce global inequality and promote sustainable growth. Letter D. To increase competition between countries. Again.